Are you an aspiring iOS developer seeking an interactive and comprehensive learning experience directly on your iPad or iPhone? The Tutorials for iOS Programming app finally promises 1146 interactive tutorials to help you learn anytime, anywhere. I found its extensive library of lessons, covering both modern Swift, up to 5.a, and Objective-C, incredibly appealing for a structured learning path. Users appreciate its focus on new Xcode versions, making it relevant for current development practices. Its high number of tutorials aims to provide a deep dive into the intricacies of iOS app creation. However, while the app is free to download, the offer's in-app purchases badge suggests that full access to all 1146 or 1190 is mentioned in the description. Tutorials or advanced features may require payment. With a 4.0-star rating from 365 reviews, it generally receives positive feedback, but potential users should investigate the nature of the in-app purchases and recent user comments regarding content quality or technical stability. Despite the potential paywall for its sheer volume of interactive tutorials, this app presents a promising mobile-first approach to learning iOS development. What's your thought?